Imagine this. You're scrolling through your social media and suddenly a video pops up. It's your favorite celebrity, let's say Donald Elon Musk, announcing a breakthrough innovation that sounds too good to be true. Millions of people are sharing it, reacting to it, and within minutes the internet explodes with discussions. But then a quiet update emerges. It wasn't real. Now think bigger. What if deepfake AI became so advanced, so unstoppable, that it started controlling how we see the world? That's the chilling reality we're exploring today on Beyond Reality. From mind-blowing innovations to devastating consequences, we're breaking down how deepfake AI is reshaping our world and what it could mean for the future of truth itself. Stick around, because by the end of this episode, you might just find yourself questioning everything you thought you knew. Alright, let's start with the basics. What are deepfakes? The word itself is a mashup of deep learning and fake, which pretty much gives it away. It's a technology that uses artificial intelligence to create hyper-realistic videos or images of people doing or saying things they never actually did. Think of it like this. AI studies thousands of images of a person, how they smile, move, blink, and talk, and then creates a digital version so accurate that even their closest friends might be fooled. Now, why is this dangerous? Because in today's world, seeing is believing. And deepfakes are erasing the line between what's real and what's not. If you can't trust your own eyes, how do you decide what's true? Deepfake technology wasn't created to spread lies. Like many great inventions, it started with good intentions. Back in the 1990s, researchers were working on ways to teach computers to recognize faces. By the 2010s, this evolved into neural networks, complex systems that could mimic the human brain. But the real turning point came in 2017, when a Reddit user created the first deepfake video. It was crude, sure, but it set the internet on fire. Within months, the technology spread like wildfire, with people using it for fun, mischief, and sometimes malicious purposes. Now, not everything about deepfakes is dark and scary. Take the entertainment industry, for example. Deepfake AI has helped bring deceased actors back to life on screen. Remember Carrie Fisher as Princess Leia in Star Wars Rogue One? That wasn't her. It was a deepfake recreation, and it gave fans a chance to see their favorite character one last time. Then there's education. Imagine being able to sit in a virtual classroom and watch Martin Luther King Jr. deliver his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech in real time. Deepfake. AI is making that a reality. But let's not sugarcoat it. Deepfake AI has an ugly side, and it's already causing chaos. One of the biggest problems? Fake news? Imagine a world leader being deepfaked into declaring war, triggering panic on a global scale. It sounds like a movie plot, but it's already happened on smaller scales, and it gets worse. People are using deepfakes to ruin lives, creating fake videos of individuals to damage their reputation, destroy relationships, or blackmail them. This isn't science fiction, this is happening now. And in medicine, it's helping doctors simulate surgeries and even giving a voice to patients who've lost theirs. Here's the million-dollar question. Who should control deepfake technology? Should governments step in and regulate it? Or should companies like YouTube and Facebook be responsible for filtering out the fake from the real? It's not an easy question to answer. On one hand, we need innovation to move forward. On the other hand, unchecked technology can cause more harm than good. It's a balancing act, and right now, we're teetering on the edge.